Okay, so this is sleephungry.com. It's like a kind of Google Drive, Dropbox combination that we use for our partners and our service providers we collaborate with because we hope it's easy for you to use and it also works in China, outside of China, um, and it's something we've been excited about. So logging in is client.sleephungry.com. I'm already logged in, as you can see, so hopefully you don't have any issues logging in. If you have any issues logging in, and you should have login, let us know. You need to accept the invite when we add you, and we're not adding anybody, we're adding select people. And once you are accept the invite and create the account, you can then go to the shared drive. So I have quite a few here. You have your default, but I wouldn't suggest to use your default. I used some already, but I shouldn't have, because default's not shared drives. So like in Google Drive, you have shared drives. So the shared drives means we can have different members and we can collaborate together with your files and our files in that project. So for here, then once you're in the right place, so make sure on the bottom left you have the right drop down. And then you can of course create a folder. Let's try to have a structure about the folders. That's best. Maybe one per product or others. Maybe you can also rename it. So I would suggest putting the item number. But see, it's not a big deal for us to rename. And then you can upload by clicking this button. This would go into the main folder. And then of course choose your files. You can also drag and drop. You can, of course, if you want to put it in this folder here, you just double click into that folder. It is thinking for a second. Hopefully it's faster for you. But once it loads, you can then just drag a file. I'm going to do a test file. These are some big ones, so I won't use that. Here, that's a good test one. Although I'm not sure what's. Sometimes you gotta refresh. Sometimes this doesn't show, or this doesn't lie. It's a script that we installed, so sometimes it's a little bit of tender loving care. Might be my internet. As always, see, it's grayed out. Oh no, it's not. So see, just drag and drop, or you could click the upload. So I'm gonna just drag and drop. Just like Google Drive or others, it'll show you here, and then it's there. And then you can just copy this link and send it to us. If you want to make it public, like Dropbox, you can get shareable link. And there's some options too, if people can download or not. Can they edit it? Do they need a password? Is it expired in a certain amount of time? And then you click create. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to. And then of course, if it's a mistake, you can delete it and it's gone. So hopefully we can put that first batch of videos and files here and work together collaboratively. Also works inside China as of recording this in May 2022. Hopefully they don't block it, but I hope you understand what I mean. And the main point is try to use a team drive so that we can work in a collaborating way. Thank you.